Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix Bluetooth connected to the laptop but no sound problem on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your Bluetooth is connected and you are not getting any sound, then I will show you a couple of steps you can try and fix this issue. In this, the first method is you need to check whether your output device is selected properly or not. For that, you just need to click on this sound. Here you can see select the sound output. You can see your output. If you have multiple output, you can select from here. After that, still your issue has not resolved, then what you have to do, you have to check whether your Bluetooth device is unmute. Whether if it is on mute, just unmute it. After doing this, still you are facing the issue, then try the third method. For that, you just need to click on this search, then type here services. Click on this services, then type here Bluetooth. Select any one of these service. Here you can see Bluetooth audio gateway service and Bluetooth support service. You just need to restart both these services. Right click on that, click on restart. Again, same you have to do for the second service. Right click and click on restart. After doing this, just close this window and check whether your issue has been resolved or not. Still you are facing the issue, then you have to unpair and pair your Bluetooth device. For that, click on start menu, click on settings, click on Bluetooth and devices, click on this three dot, then click on remove device. After removing device, click on add again. After adding, check hope your issue has been resolved or not. After doing all these settings, still you are facing the issue, then you have to uninstall your Bluetooth driver and reinstall it again. For that, click on this search menu and type here device manager. Click on the device manager. Here you can see Bluetooth. Double click on that. Select your Bluetooth device driver. Right click on that. Click on uninstall. After uninstalling, close this window. Restart your PC. After restarting, your Bluetooth driver will be installed automatically. After installing, you can add your Bluetooth device again. Hope your issue has been resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Bluetooth connected to the laptop but no sound problem on your Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.